Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and just wanted to shout out about this global sale of this new CUBOT P50 smartphone. We did a brief video about this smartphone earlier in our channel, explaining about the key specification of the smartphone including the device hardware. So those who haven't seen it, please check the video link in the description. Well, on 20th of March, you can purchase this smartphone via Aliexpress and you can get it at only $109.99. Furthermore, the first 300 orders can get additional $10 off, lowering the final price to $99.99. When you compare the specifications of this smartphone, it is well worth the offer price. You get stock Android install with high-end hardware such as powerful Octa processor with 6GB RAM with 128GB storage with expandable memory option. Also, not to forget the decent camera to capture your best moment. And last, we will be planning to do a dedicated hands-on review of this smartphone soon, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so, then you won't miss any upcoming videos. Well, that's all for now, and see you again with another video soon.